How to make money on TimeFarm Crypto Airdrop is what I'm talking to you about in this video. I've explained to you how you can make money from other cryptocurrency airdrops. The TimeFarm bot transforms your activities into rewards, and it allows you to earn tokens for completing various tasks. Don't waste your time. Make every second count. Tap and earn with the TimeFarm app. As you open the app every 4 hours, you get points that can be converted to money when listing is done. The listing or payment date for TimeFarm is November or December this year. This is the best time to farm online on this app and make money. Dr. Olubengadetitun is my name, and this YouTube channel is like my community service endeavor. I bring you information on how to make money online and offline on this channel. Please subscribe, share, and like if you have not done that. Cryptocurrency airdrops have become a popular way for blockchain projects to reward users and build awareness. One such project offering a lucrative airdrop is TimeFarm. If you are new to crypto airdrops or simply looking for a fresh opportunity, TimeFarm offers an easy and potentially profitable way to start earning. In this guide, I will explain how you can make money from the TimeFarm crypto airdrop, walking you through the process in a simple step-by-step format. First and foremost, what is TimeFarm? TimeFarm is a decentralized platform built on blockchain technology, and it allows users to farm time and convert it into a valuable asset. The idea is unique, as TimeFarm tokens called time are earned by participating in the network and completing tasks related to time farming. To encourage more users to join, TimeFarm is running a crypto airdrop campaign where users can claim free time tokens by completing specific tasks. What is a crypto airdrop? For those who are unfamiliar with the term crypto airdrop is a promotional campaign where a blockchain project distributes free tokens to its community. These tokens are often given in exchange for completing easy tasks such as joining a social media group, retweeting a post, or referring friends to the project. Airdrops are beneficial for both the project and the user. The project gains visibility and user engagement, while the user receives free tokens that could grow in value over time. Steps to participate in the TimeFarm airdrop. Participating in the TimeFarm crypto airdrop is simple and it is also free. Here is how you can do it. The first thing you need to do is to join the TimeFarm using the link in the description section of my video. As soon as you join, you are going to be welcome with a welcome bonus or with some welcome coin which you can claim. The next thing you need to do is to complete required tasks. On the TimeFarm app, you will see tasks that you need to do. So you click on it and check what you need to do. You complete it one after the other. Most of the tasks don't last more than 30 seconds. So you complete one task after the other. And this task can be to follow them on social media, whether Twitter, Telegram, or Discord, or even YouTube, or to just subscribe to them on YouTube, like the video, or even watch a particular video to get a code which you will put in to get a particular amount of coin value. The task you are going to do can also be to share their post or tagging friends to spread the word. It can also be to retweet or fill out a Google form. Now, for all these, there are specific amount you can make, and you see the amount you can make even before you do the task. When you complete the task, you come back to that to the app and indicate that you've completed the task, and then the points allocated to be given to you. All these points will be aggregated and converted to um, time coin for you at the end of the day, which you can convert to dollar and eventually convert to naira. You can also get points for referring your friends or for referring anyone that you know to the TimeFarm project. Now, a snapshot to be held. A snapshot is usually held while just before the listing, just before payment. Snapshot is like closing the books to see who is in, who has been doing the program. So at that time, during the snapshot, nobody can join. It's like a photograph. When you take a photograph, somebody that is not there, maybe somebody went to toilet or somebody didn't come to that venue for that event at that time, the person cannot be in the photograph. So that is the essence of the snapshot. So the snapshot is to prepare for airdrop distribution. So after airdrop have been distributed, this is when you get a particular amount, a particular value of the TimeFarm token. Now, a particular amount of TimeFarm token will be allocated to you when listing is about to be done. Now, how do you make money with the TimeFarm token that you are given? Once you receive your time tokens from the airdrop, there are several ways to make money. Number one way, which most people do, is to trade the TimeFarm tokens immediately. So some people just wait. If it is 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., whatever time they have given for listing, which they are going to pre-inform the users, at that particular time, the price is going to be a bit higher. So you can quickly trade your token via P2P or via anyone that you know personally, or P2P on Bybit. So you trade this and then you get dollar value or you get naira value in your local bank account. Another way some people do is to hold. Some people hold the TimeFarm tokens for future gains. The issue is that when this crypto airdrop is initially listed, the price is at the price of the listing, and it dangles 0.01 or thereabout around the listing price. Now, after a few hours, the price begins to drop. The reason is because many sellers are in the market, and then the buyers have options, so the price gets down. Now, after a few days, more people are selling because they have need of money to buy data or to buy other things. Now, let me let you know that the people that are buying are investors also. People selling are the people that mine the tokens. Now, if you have the means, it is best that you hold the token for future gain, just like some people do. They hold it for future gain, but those who are still struggling to feed or to do other things, it is best to trade it immediately and make money and use it for immediate use. Another way to make money from the TimeFarm token which you got is to stake the TimeFarm tokens. TimeFarm may offer staking options in the future, allowing users to earn passive income by locking up their time tokens for a set period. Staking is a great way to generate additional income without selling your tokens. Another way to make money with your TimeFarm token is to participate in future TimeFarm events. Some airdrops are only the beginning. Keep following TimeFarm's announcements for future opportunities, such as staking, governance, voting, or additional airdrops for loyal users. Now, let me tell you about some tips for maximizing your airdrop earnings. You have to follow all the instructions. Some people that I've introduced to some crypto airdrop, they keep coming back to ask me simple question that is already on the list already. All you need to do in this sense is go over to the listing onto the airdrop page, to the TimeFarm page where you are playing the game and doing the activities. Click everywhere and read everywhere step by step. And then you can also follow them on social media. You can follow them on Twitter to see what people are saying. Let me let you know that some of the videos that you have to watch and get a code for any of the crypto airdrops, you see that in the comment section, the code is there for you. So all these things are things that you need to interact with. The same thing on Telegram. There are groups that talk about all this, that give you the hints on everything you need to do to resolve it. So you can join these, and you yourself can form a group where you introduce people and bring them in, and then from there you can even get people that you can refer, because from time to time you are the first to bring them new information about new crypto airdrops which they can do. So follow all instructions. The next thing you used to do for maximize your airdrop earning is to maximize referral bonuses. So use the referral system, let people know about it and through you, and share your link with them and help them to register, because some may not register when you send the link to them. So if you are close by them, send the link to their WhatsApp and then click it, and then help them to set it up, and then put them through the initial stages and then monitor their progress. Then you yourself need to stay updated. As I've said, follow the TimeFarm on their official social media channels. Many people will be throwing fake news here and there. So what you need to do is for you to follow them step by step on their social media. Now, what do you do after the airdrop? Once you receive your time tokens or TimeFarm tokens, you can monitor the value of the token by tracking it on cryptocurrency tracking websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, or even on Binance, which if it's listed on Binance or Bybit or other such websites. Additionally, keep an eye out for the listing of TimeFarm on exchanges, so you can trade or sell your tokens when the price is right. The TimeFarm Crypto Airdrop offers a simple and rewarding way to earn free time tokens by completing easy tasks, staying active in the community, and referring others. You can accumulate a significant number of tokens that may grow in value whether you decide to hold your tokens, trade them, or stake them. TimeFarm presents a great opportunity for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts to make money. Be sure to follow the project closely as TimeFarm continues to develop and offer more ways to benefit from holding their tokens. My name again is Dr. Olubengadetitun, and on this channel I bring you information on how to make money online and offline. So this is one of such information. I want you to ask any question that you have in the comment section of this video, or if you have comments, you can drop into the comment section of this video. Like this video, please, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, this video popping up by the side is the next you need to see now. See you soon. Bye-bye.